So here's how you make a juice using Vitamix. And add some water, some salt. I generally don't add any sugar, but if you want you can. And grind it in with all this this thing is a beast. See, so the first couple times I did this, it felt like too much work, but now it feels pretty quick. It's, you know, hardly took me maybe 4 minutes. So I was contemplating buying a separate juicer, and I ended up trying this out a few times, and I kind of like this method now. There's no need of buying a separate juicer if you have a Vitamix. Yeah, the first few times gets boring and it does feel like it's a little bit extra work. And then the good thing is this good stuff which is fiber, you don't have to throw it off. You can use it in your baking, cooking, or whatever. Like, you know, my wife, she makes amazing parathas, so she uses this in parathas. So you're not wasting the good stuff.